Hi, I'm Kendall, and today I'm just trying out the Inverse hair conditioning system. It looks a lot like I guess a hair straightener really, but it's it's not plugged in for a start, no cords. It's really just something that you can put in the freezer. The idea behind the Inverse is that instead of using chemicals or some other kind of process to condition your hair, you're basically just using cold. And already I can just feel my beard being more cold and conditioned. And I've got to say that it's a lot of fun. It's kind of like just running your fingers through your hair, but as if those icy fingers of death.
If you just had your fingers in the freezer for 10 minutes.
Yeah, and I've tested it out on my ear and on my, like if you accidentally get it stuck on your face, there's not a problem. You could get serious burns with a hair straightener, so you don't have to use that same level of care. Just to be clear, it's not actually for straightening though, which is what I thought of it initially. It's for getting your hair to be in better condition, particularly after it's been exposed to heat. Often people use hair straighteners or hair dryers or curling irons to get the style they want, and this can help just sort of keep your hair a little bit more healthy. Really great kind of an idea, simple type of a thing. It's using a form that a lot of people are familiar with, and you can just basically reuse it, chuck it back in the freezer. It's ready to get used again. I would say my beard feels 50 to 70% more conditioned than before I started using it 5 minutes ago. It's like having a refreshing cold shower without the need for a towel or getting naked.